In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and edit Google Docs in Canva quickly and efficiently. This process is incredibly handy when you want to leverage the design capabilities of Canva while working with existing documents from Google Docs, providing a seamless blend of content and creativity. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and simply search for Canva. Once you've found the website, click on the link to open Canva. If you're already a user, just log in with your credentials. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account, which is straightforward and quick, giving you access to a whole world of design possibilities. Now, once you're logged in and on the Canva homepage, turn your attention to the sidebar or the top menu where you'll find the Projects section. This is your hub for all things project-related on Canva. Now, look for the Add New button. Clicking on this will give you an array of options to choose from. For our purpose today, you'll select Import from App. It's a handy feature that lets you bring in content from various applications. Alternatively, if you're already working on something in the Canva editor, you can connect directly to Google Drive by clicking on Apps. There, you'll need to search for Google Drive. At this stage, if you haven't already connected your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Just click Connect and follow the on-screen instructions to sign in and grant the necessary permissions. This step is crucial as it ensures Canva can access your Google Drive files. Think of it as syncing your data across platforms to make your workflow smoother. After successfully connecting, a window will open showing your Google Drive folders. Here, you can either use the search bar to locate your specific Google Doc or manually navigate through your folders. This makes it incredibly easy to find exactly what you're looking for, especially if your drive is well organized. Once you've identified the document you wish to import, select it and hit Upload or Import. You'll notice that the document begins to upload, and once completed, it will appear in your Canva projects list. You can now click on it to open it in the Canva editor. Now the fun part begins. Within this space, you have the freedom to edit the text, change fonts, and add images or graphics, essentially transforming a simple document into a visually engaging piece of content. Canva's editor is intuitive, so feel free to explore all the design elements available to enhance your document. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you've successfully imported and started editing a Google Doc in Canva. Whether you're creating marketing materials, teaching aids, or personal projects, this seamless integration allows for endless possibilities. Keep experimenting and happy designing.